Hello everybody. In this video I'll show you how to get a smooth slow motion effect to use for your clips for your edits, without using TWIXTOR plugin. First, prepare your clip with the length you intend to use. After that, double-click the frame blending box. You can see the clip much smoother, even moving frame by frame. Enable time remap by following the instructions you see. Make the chart you prefer. I will show some examples to choose from. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video leave a like, and if you want to see more tutorial videos don't forget to subscribe.